everyone, today I'll be showing you how I bleach the knots on my frontal. So if you buy a wig and it's not HD or transparent lace, this is how it's gonna look like. The knots are very prominent and the parting is not that realistic, and so on this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix that. This is how the lace looks like inside. It's a bit grayish, as you can see. And this is the spot where I tested how long I should leave my bleach on for. And as you can see, you can already see the difference in the color of the lace, and you can already see how much more realistic the hair looks after the bleaching. However, it's a little bit over processed because I left it on for too long, but at least now I know and I can make better decisions in this video. I am using a bleaching kit that I got from Clicks for 59 Rand or 69 Rand. I'm not really sure, but it's not more than that. This is how it looks like. It's just written highlight kit Clicks. In the kit, you will receive plastic gloves, you will receive a bleaching powder, and you will also receive a liquid developer. The instructions say you should just put the liquid developer into the bleaching powder and mix it and go ahead and bleach your hair, but that's not what I did because I didn't want the consistency to be too thin, because if it's too thin then my mixture can seep through the hair. I want the mixture to be creamy and thick enough so that it doesn't seep through the hair, because I still want my hair to be black. And so I'm putting in the liquid developer bit by bit. And so now I have a creamy-ish consistency. It's not so thick that it's not gonna bleach, but it's not so thin that it's gonna seep through. Now, when you are putting your bleach on your frontal, you want to put it first at the back and the middle, because that's where the hair is most dense, and so you want it to start processing there before you put the bleach at the edges. I hope that makes sense. It should make sense. Now, when you're putting the bleach on the frontal also, you do not want to press in the bleach because it's gonna go into your hair and bleach your hair. You want to be very light-handed, so you're just placing it lightly on top of your lace, starting from the back going to the front. And now when the middle and the back is all coated, you can come and coat the edges of the lace where the hair is the thinnest. I left this frontal to bleach for 18 minutes because, like I said, I had tested on a little spot for 30 minutes and it came out a little bit over bleached, over processed, and so I decided I'm gonna leave it for 18 minutes. And so now let's just wait it out. And now I just rinsed off the bleach using my Organic Blends shampoo, and as you can see, the hair is still black, but the lace is no longer gray and the knots are bleached. Yay! So 18 minutes was perfect. And now I'm just gonna put it at a different place to show you guys how the whole thing is looking, and I love how it looks. So the lace is a little bit brownish. If you are very light skinned or a bit more dark skinned, you can just put face powder or your foundation, and that's what I always do, and it's gonna look pretty good. This is the over processed spot that I used to test, but as you can see, everything else looks really good. And now I am taking my Organic Blends conditioner and I'm just coating my hair and leaving it for 5 to 10 minutes. And after rinsing it off, I let it air dry and I just put the wig on. Like I said, when I do an installation, I would put a face powder or foundation so that it matches my skin, but this is how it currently looks like and I love it. It looks so realistic and so natural, and I really hope you found that video helpful. Bye guys.